Okay, there you go. Aim invite then.
And this is a new infected video, which I've just started.
Look, can you see my new guy, purple and red?
Yeah.
Yeah, to be honest, I can't even play it, but still.
What do you mean you can't even play it?
I can't play. I don't know what controls are. Daniel, you going to toss into your video then, or?
Oh, yeah, I did that ages ago. And Tony just left. After all that rubbish, and he just left.
It's like.
Ah, bloody Noah. Yeah, this is. Is it still on the game?
Yeah, it's still on the game.
Well, it's fun then. I can just be in the game.
Why can't I hear a fly?
I don't know. Halo reach flood. This is what rubbish we go. He ain't in the game. You invite him back.
I have.
No, you can't jump on this. It's just kind of sad. Hello, Tony. Oh God! You have to survive. No matter what, the cast.
Yeah, stay with the crowd then. That's the best thing to do.
Yeah, I just got myself whacked in the face.
Well, I don't know what, because I'm not playing.
And that's why I said, Tony, to you, you can't join me and I can't join you because your connection's fucked up.
It could be yours.
It's not, it's his, because I can join everyone else except for him.
He can join everyone else from you, so.
Well, then it's one of us that's got the problem. Or both of us connections. I don't want to die yet, I don't want to die yet, let me go! Let me run!
It could be like me and Sky, I mean Virgin and Sky, like me and him, they don't connect that well. Hi Daniel!
Oh, where are you? Oh, hi Owen.
You like my new armour then?
Yeah, it looks nice. Do you like my white armour?
It looks the same.
White and green. Yeah, it is, haven't changed it.
Oh!
Because I'm not, like, you know, I'm not really into weird colours. I did have it purple one time for some reason, but I want to see what's down
red
there.
looks okay, I thought.
I had,
There's in down there.
I had a purple one. Ooh, there's a cone down here. My cone friend.
Oh,
and
Daniel's with me and you.
Are you dead?
No.
Run away.
I don't know where to go to, just stay here.
This guy down there.
Oh!
Oh no! Owen, grab the shotgun! Grab the shotgun, Owen!
Too late, I'm dead.
Damn. You were my only hope, Owen! The human race!
I killed one of them before they got you, but I couldn't kill the other one.
Well, you know. You tried, Owen. That's all you can do. Kind of, I suppose. What the hell do they think they're doing going up here? You can't have up here. You can't, like... They must have a glitch. There's no way this guy is hidden in a place where no one can see him. This unless it's like round here. So.
10 seconds.
Hey Owen! Where are you?
I don't know, I'll just...
Wow.
do a kill.
How the hell does he get down there?
I'm a man, I'm a lost alive.
Oh!
Bitch.
It was Tony joining in, that's why it glitched.
That's quite glitched, yeah. I survived longer as well. It's a lot of rubbish.
How did you get 50 kills? Tony, you goddamn cheater.
He got 50 points for winning.
Bloody cheat. Absolutely, bitch. Be afraid.
I'm not scared of you.
I didn't say I was afraid of you.
Oh god, I'm affected, aren't I?
Oh no, am I affected? You can't even tell on this.
No.
Urgh. Guess who's infected? I got one kill already. You know the problem with this is, it's quite impossible to get kills. Is he?
Owen killed me.
You infected, Owen?
Oh. Tony's infected.
Yeah, I've got Owen.
I killed Tony. Oh no, I didn't.
Hello, Owen.
Oh, I thought I killed you then. So I started shooting you.
I keep getting killed. Where the hell did he get that big turret from? Because I want that. You come in the corner and just fight forever with
I
that.
was about to kill someone.
Yeah, that happens. Especially when I'm in the game and glitching you up. Because I'm a modder. Ha ha ha. I'm not.
Okay.
Well done. You're a big
Come on,
game
hurry
on
up
big
and
game.
let's hurry up and load so I can kill that person and celebrate.
He thought the guy just left.
No, most likely, yeah, but he was moving, so I doubt it.
Mm.
If he gets out, if someone else kills him now, I'll be like, you mean person.
Mm.
Why did I cross the next to their name? The other people across the next to their name, are they dead?
Yeah, I believe so.
I might have killed them then, I'm not sure. One of them. Might have been lucky.
I know, I killed you. I hit you twice.
I know. I know you killed me, but I'm about to kill someone. Ah.
Seriously?
Load!
You know, if I publish this video, this one's just as worse as the last one, I'm gonna be amazed.
I guess you could skip this bit. Oh no, he survived! I killed him now.
Where the hell am I?
Oh no, he shotgunned me. How the hell did he reach me? I thought I got him then. I thought I actually got him then. I was like, yay!
Got a shotgun.
So did Daniel. Oh. Who got him?
Teabag, teabag, I killed him!
I mean, he killed him twice then.
Right, I need a good round now. Now win.
Okay. Last standing, what's that mean?
Well, it's last man standing, it's free for all. It's just a zombie mode.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, why do I spawn out here?
I wanna shotgun.
Oh.
If I was you, Tony, I'd leave the shotgun, it's no good. Especially for a person that's rubbish with it.
I'm off Tony.
Fuck you, man.
Miss Paul, come on.
I'm stuck in a room. How the hell are you meant to get out of a room where you're stuck in? What? Tony? I'm stuck.
Wow.
Oh no, you broke down the door. That's a bit confusing.
Hi, Owen.
I have to break down the door to get out. That's really confusing.
Yeah. I want to know where you get the turret or something. I saw you. Oh, 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 I saw you. God damn you, Owen! No, kill me! Damn it, Owen! Oh.
Yeah.
Bloody machine guns like rubbish. Come on, cool boy. Come on, come out! Come on! Wimp. Cowardly that was, Tony. Oh.
I got third, I think, overall. Oh no, I didn't know. Let's see. That was fifth. I'm fifth. Title.
You're
Oh,
third.
no, but. Oh wait, I'm level 20 now.
You're level 20. Damn.
Yay. Okay, I unlocked the red shade.
You know what? When you get to my level, tell me, 'cause it takes forever to level up. And for the fact that I don't play this game enough.
Dan, you're just a banger on this game. You're just a banger.
No, it's the fact that if I wanted to, I could get to 130. It's the fact I don't want to or didn't want to.
You're just a banger.
Hey, the reach I banged out like this, I didn't really bother that much with. Like
You're a level 100.
well, no, I didn't bother with it. The first 2 weeks I spent tons of time on it, and I got myself to 88, and then I just worked my way up from there. Slowly, but I haven't really been bothered with it. He's not whistling. I think it's wrong. But I saw the season pass and I noticed how it didn't carry on, and I just don't think that's fair. Hello.
Love you.
Okay.
That's a bit strong.
It was.
Oh, and you're just jealous of me. You're just jealous of me and I have more of a relationship.
Fine. Okay.
If I had this in the video, you gotta do copyright. Or you can prosecute me or something?
Pistol. I'm going invisible. Danny's right by you. Like I said. I know, I've got both of them.
But, and just pure luck, sometimes. Some of these players are just shit, but that was pretty nicely done by my hand.
Oh no!
Sure.
Yeah? Oh, I've got dinner.
I'm going to the pub.
I died.
Oh. Bye bye, Owen.
Oh, you can't leave gate?
You can, yeah, for the sake of it. There we go. Oh, look at his head, like, look at that. Didn't even bother with that, you see? No need. Professional gaming right there. Hey, Tony! You haven't got barbecue or something to go to now, have you? You haven't got barbecue or something to go to now, have you? Have you got barbecue or something to go to? Alright. That'd be alright.
How's that?
Tony, yeah? Tony, Owen does. That's a pass.
I don't mind. I normally camp, but I'm walking around. Oh shit.
And Tony down!
I'll just get you.
God. I'm playing dreadful in this game. That's nice. As long as it's fresh. What? No, he did turn. I think he looked at his radar like I did at last seconds. But when you look at the kill, it did look like I actually killed him.
Game over.
There are a lot of glitches on the game and modders and stuff, so you know, it could be, I don't know. I don't really bother with that sort of stuff myself. Long day. Days of GCSEs, I'm gonna call this probably. See you later, guys.